From Lafayette nights to the bayou sun, we're working real hard till the job gets done. Homes and buildings, land to the street, Keaty real estate can't be beat. Every deal we make, every hand we shake, we stand on the promise that we won't break. From buyers to renters, developers too, we give it 110 in all we do. Louisiana living, we get it done. Keaty real estate, number one. Working hard, playing hard, always true. 110% for you. From the roof to the floor, every fix we find, keeping owners at ease and tenants in mind.